Hello everyone, this is Kiki, aka Kiki. Today I'm going to talk about how to set up your own version control. TOTOS SVN. It's actually easier than you thought how to set up your own version control. So let's get started.
The first thing you need to do is download TOTOS SVN. Go to the official SVN website and choose the version you're looking for. So in this case, I'm looking for the 64-bit for Windows. I already downloaded and I'm just showing you guys where to download. And the second thing you need to download is Visual SVN Server. Go to the official website. As you can see, in this case, I'm going to download 64-bit. So once you finish install your TOTOS SVN and Visual SVN server, then we can start to set up our repository. Okay then, so let's launch Visual SVN server. So now we launch the server and let's create a new repository. Click repository and right click create new repository. Regular one next, and I will just type in test repo because it's the test repo. And click next, empty repository, all subversions and create. Before click this finish button, I'm going to copy the repository URL, then will be useful later. So I'm going to copy and paste in the notepad and finish. So the next thing I'm going to do is create a folder, and the folder I'm going to rename it as same as our repository, test repo. Right click SVN checkout, and you have to paste the URL over here. So let's click OK, and it seems like we are all done. Let's go and test it. Let's create a file, random file, and I'm going to just fill in test, and let's add this file and commit it. So right click and TOTOS SVN, add. Okay, complete edit and right click commit it. So I'm just going to type some description to say this is a test file, and it is actually a very good habit to write some description while you're doing your own version control, and it's also good for the teamwork. So the last thing I'm going to do on my PC is create a new user. So you can create as many as user as you want, and just see how many team members you have. But in this case, I'm just going to create one more user. So as you can see here, I already have one. It's me, it's Kiki, and I'm going to create a new user for my partner. And I'm just going to type in his name, and I need to make up some password. And the password is actually have some rules, so that's why it's not working. So here is the password rules. Okay, now it's all done. So now I'm on another PC, create the test repo folder, and right click and click SVN checkout, and here you have to paste the URL. The URL is the one we copy and paste on the notepad, and that is your repository URL. After we paste the URL, we click OK. Because I have logged in this PC before for the username and password, so that's why the checkout finish has popped up after I copied the URL. But if you never used this PC before, the authentication will pop up instead of checkout finish. So you need to fill in your username and password to be able to finish set up the repository on another PC. The username and password is the one we previously created on the original PC. Let's check out our repository. So as you can see here, the test file previously I committed. That means we have successfully created the repository from the original PC to this PC. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to commit the file, the test file, from this PC to the server PC. So let's add a file, let's name 123, and right click and to this SVN add. Let's right click again and SVN commit, and I will just type test in the description. Click OK. So that's all. I have successfully committed the file. So if I go to the original PC and right click update, then I should be able to get a file.
I hope this video is helpful for you, and this is my very first tutorial. If you like this video or it's helpful for you, please click subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you next time. Bye.